Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Blake Coward Johnson, and I'm here today to speak on if statements. All right, let's get into it. So here I have a method called my make it method darken roses. To explain it a little bit, I chose a flower garden image, and within that image, I just want to pick out the roses and darken those. All right, so here I created a new pixel. I named it current pixel and assigned it to null. Here is my beginning for my outer loop. It's a for loop. I have an int variable named it x. Assigned it to 0. X is less than get width. And then here I just do increments of 1 every time it runs this loop. Here for my inner loop, it's also a for loop variable int y. Assigned it to 0. Y is less than get height. Here we do increments of 1 every time it runs this loop as well. Current pixel is assigned to get pixel for my x and y, my width and my height. And then here I int my colors so I can hard set them. So I have int green color assigned to current pixel.get green, int red color assigned to current pixel.get red, and I int my blue color assigned to current pixel.get blue. Now we're getting into the if statements. All right, so my first if statement, if my blue color is less than my red color, it should run the body if that if statement is true. So if it is true, my current pixels for red should be set to whatever the red color is and minus it by 150. And after that, I have an else if statement. This is basically saying if that is not true, we'll come down here and run this. So if my green color is greater than my blue color, it should run the body. So the current pixel dot set green should be an increase of my green color times 2. All right, cool. So with that being said, I'm going ahead and going to compile. Go ahead and run it so you guys can see my image. Cool. So yeah, I basically it decreased all the red out of the rows, which gave it the darker color. And I didn't want it too dark, so that's why I increased my green to try to brighten it up a little bit. That's pretty much it, you guys. My name is Blake again. Hope everyone has a great day. Thank you. Bye.